morning children. Now we are going to see the subject English. I am going to say the story, The Fat Dog. Children, take page number 81. Listen children, the fat dog, T-H-E, the F-A-T, fat, D-O-G, dog. He is a thin king. The thin king has a fat dog. King means what? Raja. Raja da king சொல்லுவோம் நம்ம. சரியா? அவர் எப்படி இருக்காரு? ஒல்லியா இருக்காரு. அவர் ஒல்லிக்குச்சி ராஜா. He is a thin king. The thin king has a fat dog. அவர் என்ன வச்சிருக்காரு? ஒரு பெட் வச்சிருக்காரு அவர். அவர் வந்து ஒரு பெரிய குண்டா இருக்கு. அந்த பெட் எப்படி இருக்கு? ரொம்ப ஃபேட் டாக் அந்த பெட். குண்டா இருக்கு அந்த டாக். The thin king and the fat dog go for a walk. And the thin king and the fat dog is going for a walk. Usually we see in the morning some people used to take the pet and they used to go for walk in the morning, we can see. Like that the king also is taking this dog for a walk. The dog sees a cat. On the way the dog is seeing a cat. The fat dog runs to catch the cat and the fat dog என்ன பண்ணுது? அது ஓடி போயிட்டு அந்த பூனையை பிடிக்க போகுது. The king runs to catch the fat dog. The king also running along with the dog to catch the dog. They run and run and run. இப்படி ஓடிட்டே இருக்காங்க அவங்க. Now the fat dog is thin and the fat dog now it has become very thin dog. Okay children, can you understand the story? The thin king is having a fat dog. Both of them are going for a walk. On the way, the fat dog is seeing a cat. The dog is running after the cat. Then the king also is running behind the dog. Both of them are running, the king and the dog. And the fat dog has become now thin dog. Now we are going to see the book exercise. Take page number 82. Take page number 82. Circle the correct word. The picture is given. King picture is given. Dog picture is given. And then cat picture is given. See here. This is king. This is crown. Okay, see here. Q-U-E-E-N. Queen. King. Which one will be the correct one? King. Circle the king here. Okay, K-I-N-G. King. King means Raja. Queen means Rani. Then see the next picture. Dog picture is given here. Okay. D-O-G, dog. C-A-T, cat. Which picture is correct? You see in the book. Dog picture is correct one. Then circle that dog, D-O-G, dog. Here the cat is given. Here the cat picture is given. Okay. C-A-T, cat. D-O-G, dog. From LKG and UKG we know the spelling for D-O-G, dog, C-A-T, cat. We all reading from LKG itself, dog spelling, cat spelling and all. So, this picture is cat, C-A-T, cat. You circle the word C-A-T, cat. So, you see in the book, Mrs. drawing roughly, you see in the book and circle. So take page number 82. If all are having textbooks only, you all can mark. So you come and get the notebook from the school, pay the fees and buy the notebooks and books. Then only you can understand and take the page number and mark. Okay. Now tick. Tick yes or no. You should tick which one is the correct sentence and tick in the appropriate place whether it is yes or no. See page number 81, 82. Second one, Roman letter 2, this one is A. T, read the spelling, say along with me. T-H-E, the, K-I-N-G, king. King means Raja. The king is fat. The king is fat. It is a correct statement? No, because the king is very thin. Then what will come? Where you should tick? Here. No, in the no place. Okay, because the king is very thin. Here fat is given. So it is wrong. So tick in the no place. N-O, no box. Then B. T-H-E, the king. K-I-N-G. The king has a fat dog. F-A-T, fat dog. Fat dog means அந்த நாய் வந்து எப்படி இருக்கு ரொம்ப ஃபேட்டா குண்டா இருக்கு fat dog. The king has a fat dog. Yes or no? Say children, I told the story. No, the king is having fat dog only. Then yes, tick in the yes place. Okay. Then see, the dog sees a rat. Say children, what the dog is seeing? In the story what I told you? The dog sees a rat. Dog வந்து ரேட்டை பார்த்துட்டு ஓடுதா? இல்லை, கேட், சிஏடி, கேட்டை பார்த்துட்டு தான் டாக் வந்து அது பின்னாடியே ஓடுது. அது பின்னாடி ராஜா ஓடுறாங்க. The dog sees a rat. Then the statement is, sentence is wrong. Then what will come? No, you should tick in the no box. Okay, N-O, no. Then next one. T-H-E, the, D-O-G, dog, runs, R-U-N-S, runs to catch, C-A-T-C-H, catch the cow, C-O-W, cow. The dog runs to catch the cow. See, the sentence is correct? No, the dog runs to catch the cat only. So tick in the no place. Then last one. The king runs with the dog. The king runs with the king runs with the dog. Say children, sentence is correct? Yes. Tick in the yes place. அந்த ராஜாவும் என்ன பண்றாரு? டாக் கூடயே தான் சேர்ந்து ஓடுறாங்க. சரியா? The king is fat. No, N-O, no. The king has a fat dog. Yes. Y-E-S, yes. The dog sees a rat. No, N-O, no. The dog runs to catch the cow. No, because the dog is running to catch the cat only. The king runs with the dog. Yes, the king also running along with the dog. Then rearrange the story in the correct order using the number from 1 to 5. See here some picture is given down. You see the backside picture, see the story. Picture is given. You arrange in the same order. See here. Here the king is running after the dog. Here also he is running. The dog is running to catch the cat. Here the king also is running along with the dog. The king become very lean. Then is going for a walk. Then the thin king is going along with the fat dog. So you rearrange it. This one is homework for you. Okay? You rearrange it.